Meaning of goldfinch.
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 Goldfinch. A goldfinch is a small songbird with a distinctive red, white, and black head and bright yellow wings. It is found throughout Europe, North Africa, and Asia. It is a popular bird among birdwatchers due to its beautiful plumage and delightful song. In some cultures, goldfinches are believed to bring good luck and happiness. The goldfinch was also the subject of a famous painting by Dutch artist Karel Fabricius, titled The Goldfinch, which depicts a pet goldfinch chained to a perch.